Hi, this is Jenny, and I'm doing a little tutorial on how to update your WordPress site. So as you can see here, I followed the link in which to log in, and I've already got my username and password set, so I'm just going to click on Login. We'll wait a few seconds for that to load. Now, once we're logged in, let's see if I can move this over. This is the dashboard. That is where we will make all of the changes to each page of the website. So if I'd like to see which pages I need to make changes to, or to look at all the pages, you can just click on Pages right here. We've got 9 pages on the Roaring Brook Nursery site, and you can see if you hover over each of the pages, it allows you to edit, trash, view, quick edit them. So for example, if I wanted to add a new news article, I would click on Edit under News Articles, and then you'll see that the page that viewers see, it's going to take a second here to load. There we go. So this is the page that your internet browsers and viewers are going to be looking at, and if you want to add something to this page, you just click in here and start typing. So I'm just writing start typing, and you can do lots of things within here. If you look up here, you can bold text, italicize text, strike through text, you can make lists or numbered lists. This little button is a block quote. If you want to put a little quote that someone says, it indents it. You can align your text to the left, the right, or the center. I'm not sure what the insert more tag is yet. And what's another so then the other, this is kind of interesting. To format your text, normally you would set a point size if you were in Word. So normally text is at 12 point Times New Roman or Calibri. But on the online world, you format your text to be paragraph text, address which looks italicized, pre-formatted, which is generally used. Well, that's an old school kind of thing that people used to use for phone numbers. And then what's really important are the headings, headings 1 through 6. Heading 1 would be your title, heading 2 would be a subheading, and then so on and so forth down to, you can have up to 6 headings. So that's kind of interesting to use, and that was all found in the drop down under paragraph. You can also underline text, do justify, align full. You can change the color of your text here. And then you can also add in, if you have something typed up in a Word document, you click the little paste from Word to insert that, or you can click the little paste as plain text. You can remove all formatting. What happens is if people type things up in Word or say their email program and you try to paste them in here, you'll notice that sometimes the text gets all formatted really badly and it looks just awful. So then you'd want to hit remove formatting and then add your own formatting, like add your own headings, subheadings, paragraph text, etc. You can add media, like if you wanted to upload one of your movies, this is the button you would click. If you wanted to put in a custom character, that's the button you would click. If you just need something indented, that's the button you would click. Now, I know that most people would like to update or add images, so that button is right up here. It's kind of tiny, but that's the button you would click to add an image. So let's just click that, and I'll show you what happens. So you can add a media file from your computer. So you would just click Select Files, and then you'd go through your computer and find, let's see what I've got on my desktop, find an image to upload. And do I have any images on my desktop? I've got a screenshot. So then you would just say open, it would upload it, and then it would let you put a title into your image, alt text, so when the image is loading, the alternate text would show up, so you'd want to say like, oh, this is my logo of such and such. Or in Internet Explorer, people hovering over the image will see the alternate text. And then what's important is down here is the alignment. You can align it to the left, the center, or to the right. And I always like to put my images in the size I've designed them, but what's kind of a nice feature is that this allows you to choose kind of a standard size. So here you can see we've got the thumbnail set at 200 pixels by 134, or a medium-sized picture set at 400 pixels by 82 pixels. So whichever size image, that's what you'd click there. And then once you've got everything filled out, you insert it into your post. So I'll insert it and we'll see what happens. So there now, see if I can move this over, you can see that it has inserted the image I uploaded into the post. Now, if I wanted to publish this, which I'm not going to do, but say this, I'm done making all my updates, this page is now how I like it, you would go over to the right here, and on the right down here you see publish, and first if you want to check you can say preview changes to make sure it looks correct, and then you just hit update, and then when you go back to your website you'll see that the image and the text that you've just added is now there, and it's as simple as that. Now since I don't want to publish this, I'm just going to delete the text that I put in, just to make sure that doesn't save. So now I'm going to go back over to here and click on my dashboard, because I'm done posting. Are you sure you want to navigate away from this page? Yes, I am, because I did not want to save those changes. So that was how you can edit your pages.